just by dragging it over there and then sitting it right there. Okay. Now, and we're going to hit submit. Let's go grab some more elements. All right. And here we go. Control C. Back here. And Control V. All right. That worked well. Let's go grab some more. See, and back over here. Control V. Okay, perfect. Let's grab our last element, which is going to be our copyright, who built the site and who maintained the site. And in all those cases, it's going to be MassUpdater, MassUpdater, MassUpdater. All right, here we go. All right, and that's in there. Now let's go ahead and move this guy down. Perfect. Submit, submit, and that part is done. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check out a couple of more elements, a little bit of some of the fun stuff, like Mouseovers. Let's try that out. Okay, Mouseovers are pretty simple. Basically, you hit the Mouseover button, you choose your first color. In this case, since this is a brown site, we'll choose this one. You can choose between bold, italic, and underline, or all three. We're going to go with bold for this one. After that, just choose a color that's different from the other, but still kind of coincides with the site. In this case, for for the sake of being absolutely different, we're going to go with green. Okay, and for consistency, we're going to go with bold as well as underline for just a little bit of added effect. Now, over here, you can enter an actual link. It can be a standard Mouseover effect, or it can be a linkable Mouseover effect. So let's go ahead and type in a web address. MassUpdater.com. And also, one of the great powerful features of it, in the same area, you can just click a radio button, which will allow you to make this link pop up in a different window. Without clicking the radio button, it will pop up in the same window. Got it? Great. So, in this case, we're just going to click it so we can show you how this is done. So, next. All right. Now, as you can see, pretty interesting, huh? We have a Mouseover gallery. And within the Mouseover gallery is all the Mouseovers that you may want to create. This saves a whole lot of time when it comes to building a website. So now you don't have to sit up here and recreate Mouseovers over and over and over again. All you have to do is go to your gallery of Mouseovers, and you may not have to create any more Mouseovers ever again, ever in your life, because they're already here. Now, cool effects about the Mouseover gallery. You roll over the Mouseovers, and they mouse over right in the gallery. When you roll over use, what pops up is information about the Mouseover. It tells you if it has a link within it or not, and it also tells you where the link is going. Okay? Big plus. So, select your text. All right, perfect. And then click Use. That's it. You've now created a Mouseover right there on your site. Now let's go check it out. Let's see how that actually worked. Okay. As you can tell, that was a pretty fast load. Now let's go ahead and scroll on down. All right, let's check out our Mouseover and let's see if this worked properly. Now, everything about this program is riding on this particular event that I'm going to actually click this button, and if it doesn't work, forget it. Don't buy the program. It sucks. But if it does work, you owe me 279 bucks. Well, pretty cool, huh? Well, let's go on. There's other cool stuff about MassUpdater. All right. Now, let's go ahead and drop a photo gallery. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to grab one of the bounded boxes. And there we go. Let me go ahead and drag that so it's a little bit bigger. Now, if you haven't noticed yet, anytime you drop the box, you look at it, you see the dotted lines, you notice that the dotted lines disappear when you're actually on the web page. Another cool feature of MassUpdater. Now, let's go to our advanced web builders, and let's go to the photo galleries. Okay, photo galleries. It's really cool stuff. With this button, you can drop your photo gallery, and with this, you can edit your photo gallery. You can upload all your pictures to it. Really smart, really easy. So, here's our photo gallery full of pictures. Okay. Now let's go ahead and drop that baby. And there you go. Your photo gallery is dropped. I don't know about you, but I can tell you one thing. That was pretty darn easy to drop a photo gallery.